So we thank New Zealand for coming over as well
Yeah,
and
definitely.
helping out sa preparasyon ng ating pambansang koponan. And they have really played well.
Yeah, they're a very tough team.
They've entertained the fans. There's a great pass from Ryan Reyes. Hindi lang na-handle ni Elrod.
Yun ang sinasabi ko because Elrod is also new to the team. He just came in for the 2015 season. So how many practices has he really had? Does he know the weaknesses and strengths of his team? Oh, that's going to be open. There's going to be a foul.
Strong move mula kay Newton. Missing the layup.
Foul number 18, Troy Rosario. His third foul. First team foul for
Rosario
Tigers.
ng personal.
I think Coach Joke will finish without two, guys like Miranda and Larry for the last maybe 6-7 minutes and make that one, try to make that one big run to get themselves back in this ball game.
10 days to go. Nakita nyo, tutukan ang laban ng Gilas na nalapit the FIBA Asia Championship sa Changsha, China para sa nag-iisang slot sa 2016 Rio Olympic Games. Exclusive free TV coverage on TV5. Laban, Pilipinas.
Starts in September 23.
That's right. Si Newton, the guy who took the free throws a while ago with the hairdo, standout rin. Is the youngest player on this team. He's only 20 years old. Parang bata pa.
Looks like it.
Especially because this team is composed of a lot of veterans. You have 34-year-old Acanasio, 36-year-old Coach Braswell, 28-year-old Brian Davis. So everybody's like at least 27, 28 years old and above. Siya lang talaga. He's the baby of the bunch. And Acanasio, one of the senior members, goes right at Troy Rosario, and that's going to be the fourth personal. He's on the verge
Foul number 18,
of fouling out.
Rosario. His fourth foul. 17 foul for Tigers. 14 seconds to shoot.
Blocks him. Hirap na hirap umimba, but Newton finally came to get it. There's some physicality inside. Ignacio and Rosario
Offensive foul number 7.
having a conversation. Rosario won't have any of it.
You just walk away. It's the right thing to do. Try to wait for your weight around.
Kakatulakan sa loob eh. Yung dalawa, yun.
You can see the veteran in Ignacio, I mean, the way
Yeah.
the way he sets himself up and really positions. Ryan's not going to pass anymore. He's made 2 passes that went outside. You know, his teammates couldn't pick it up, so you could see they were going to drive in that last play.
Too high off the glass nga lang. Ayun, he blocks some on the drive. Another foul is called. And Tokentex is piling up the personals dito sa fourth
Foul number
quarter.
11, Chris Duvalino. His second
Very
foul.
close.
13 foul for Tigers.
Not a very easy call to make because they were doing very little contact and nothing doing harm to the play. No?
Edwards inside to Adams, who finds Bloxham. Out to Newton, wanted to jam it. Lost the handle. Another foul is called, and that's already the 5th
Foul number 7
team
for
foul.
Tigers. That's his second foul. 14 foul for Tigers.
That's already in the penalty.
Substitution for Tigers.
That would be adjusted, I think, after
2 free throws for Mitchell Newton.
Free throws ni Newton, hatid sa atin ng Smart. Live the smart life. Guy's got a good shooting touch. Nakatref na yan kanina.
Nice height, maybe about 6'5". With all his hair, though, about 6'7".
Tama.
Substitution for Tigers.
Well, may mga players naman tayo na ganun din. Si Joe Devans, minsan 6'8", minsan 6'6 lang. Denok hands it up to Larry for a share. Hot shooting niya kanina. Sumalino will make his move. Leaving it inside Larry Rodriguez. The inside operator. Ano pa yung fake na yun? Alam ni Edwards, oh, he got me there.
Yeah.
Foul number 32, Justin Edwards. His second foul. 17 foul for New Zealand. 2 free throws for Larry Rodriguez.
Leon Rod, and it's atin ng Smart. Live the smart life. A veteran.
You know, we have a pretty good sized crowd here. And I think it might go a little bit bigger in the as the second game approaches. Well, the Gilas team has already won this tournament now. by virtue of their victory over New Zealand with Chinese Taipei still winless. But the important thing here is the send-off that our crowd is going to give the Gilas, because this will be their last game that you will see them play before they actually play in China.
Tama yan. Pagkatapos ito, talagang preparations na lang.
Mitchell Newton.
Tapos biyahe na. Patungan Changshahuran sa bansang China. The big tournament that everyone's been waiting for. Sumalino running inside. Travel to kay Dennis Miranda.
And when you see the Saints really clamping down on defense here, and we really do not have a lot of scoring options on the floor. They know who can score. They know Larry can score, and they know Tua can score on the inside. We don't have a lot of scoring options right now for us with the fight that we're playing.
Flip ka rin, Dr. J, sa stamina nitong New Zealand player. Because there's only 10 guys, as you see Edward
That's the chance for Justin
there's
Edwards.
only 10 guys suited up.
Fouls on the foul, Larry Rodriguez.
Dahil si Brock
That's the
Purdy
second
is not
foul.
suited up. And
5-team
one of
foul
their
for
players,
Texas.
one of their better players actually,
Texas.
Eric Devendorf.
Yeah, he's not here.
Yeah, he flew back home after attending the press conference 4 days ago.
Saka mahirapan talaga tayo niyan. Marunong na maglaro yung malaki pa as a point guard. With a lot of veteran
Bonus free throw for Justin Edwards.
within him. This guy went scoreless in the third quarter after a superb first half where he had 14.
Missing on that free throw, pero rebound by Adams. Hard working inside and gets another foul. Siya naman ang pupunta sa linya ngayon.
Kung kay Rosario yun, he fouls out. It's on Tautua.
Okay, Mo.
Penalty. That's his third foul.
But the penalty is going to hurt us, and it's going to slow down this game a little bit.
2 free throws for Sidney Adams.
Sidney Adams, a lot shorter than his brother,
Steven.
Steven. This guy's about 6'6", 6'7". Yung
Seven.
kapatid niya, hindi ko alam kung kuya niya, mas bata sa kanya, but he's about 7 feet. And I did get a chance to see him in person.
Bata pa yun.
Oo, kaya I've seen him. He's a legitimate 7 foot.
Yeah,
Hindi lang nakalista yun.
7 foot.
Larry, reach in mula kay Canasio. Referee says there was contact.
Foul on number 34, Mitchell Newton. His second foul,
Newton
13
pala.
foul
Tama
for
si
the
Canasio.
season.
Hindi pala
14 seconds on the
Such a
shot
big
clock.
contact on this play. Jai Reyes inbound baseline. 7:03 ang natitira. Almost stolen by Newton. They go to Mo. Power move inside, lays it in.
Mo Tautua.
New Zealand is playing so well, even without Davis really dominating. Hardly done anything in this ball game.
You have Davis hardly doing anything, and Croswell not
Damian
playing.
Ignacio.
Damian Ignacio, the finger roll, nakaagaw pa sa inbound. Some sloppy plays, a talk and text. And that's an 83-63 lead para sa New Zealand.
Pero yung kanilang reserves have really come in strong. Yung three-point attempt by Newton.
Mitchell Newton for
That was
3.
by PLDT Home ESL, number 1 home broadband. This lead has ballooned.
To 23. All of a sudden, a 5-point lead lang at halftime here.
Mo Tautua.
Para sa kanya.
Ang key talaga ng breakaway dito yung ginamit si Watkins sa third quarter. He just controlled the defense on the part of New Zealand, and they had a lot of fast breaks.
Adams, going na may 4 fouls na. Roy Rosario operating there.
Sidney
He's in the
Adams.
basket despite the help defense mula kay
Time out on the floor.
Tandua.
TV
8
time
points
out.
in the game para kay Adams, and the lead is up to 23.
I mean, it's just being shown here now. Those guys that are veterans and that can really post up, he's going to have a hard time defending against them if he does not build up his upper body strength.
20 points na para kay Moala Tautua. Problema lang, 23 ang kanilang hinahabol. Jai Reyes saw an opening.
Nice block.
Swatted away by Adams.
Tulad ng kapatid niya. That
Oo.
guy is known for blocking shots like that.
Edwards goes behind his back.
Labagala.
Oo, nasa loob ng laro. And Edwards had, about a foot advantage. The miss taken by Rosario. Token Tex will try to close this gap with only 5.5 remaining. Supported final quarter. Rosario to take the jumper from 16. High looper, no go. And then the rebound. Bloxham picks it up. Hindi nagmamadali ng New Zealand. Comfortably ahead.
He's done a very decent job in the absence of their top point guard last year.
Bloxham goes behind his back.
Nice pass.
Acanacio's three. Short yan. Rebound taken by Lapagala. They go to Moala once again. Wants to go baseline. Spin move. Throws it right to Edwards. Edwards naghahanap ng kakampi. Goes around that screen. Decides to take it himself. Can't get the hoop.
2 straight defensive rebounds there by Rosario.
A tournament such as this, Dr. J, really helps everybody who participates. Right?
You learn a lot of
Hindi
things.
lang Gilas yan. Talk and Text as well, naghahanda itong Wellington team. You know, whether or not this team will be kept or they'll go back to their respective clubs when they go home to New Zealand.
Even for us, we learn a lot. We learn about the players. And maybe we'll meet them again in the future. Maybe we'll do some work. We learn about basketball techniques and strategy. We learn a lot of things just being spectators.
And it's stripped away by Newton.
Goodbye.
They go to Edwards, and you know what's going to happen here.
High flyer here.
Justin Edwards.
Slam dunk na patalikod.
It's not too good. Rosario would have done a better
Yeah.
job. Even Espiritu is not being used would have done
That's
a better
siyempre,
job.
si Elmer, alam naman natin, ever since his college days yan. Hindi pa nakakapasok sa larong ito. Here's Rosario. Tumo. On the spin, gets another
Oh,
two.
down to
You can really see he's got game.
Yeah.
He's got game. And
24.
he's fearless underneath.
24 ng kanyang total. Bloxham go for the
Josh Bloxham.
He's taking advantage of his size kontra sa mga smallish point guards ng Tokentex na Bagala at Jaime.
Dalawang point guard nga, pareho pang maliit. On the floor at the same time. So defensively, layo mo. Give it to Larry there. That's a good pass by Tautu.
Larry from the jam for three.
The outside shot knocks it in. 3-point shot brought to us by PLDT Home DSL, #1 home broadband.
That's good defense by Rosario. Not jumping on the shot. Ooh, that looked good.
Josh Bloxham three.
Sa wind-up pa lang niya, Dr.
Time out on the floor.
Sa
TV
manapapasok
time.
na Will Ref. Atid din sa atin ang PLDT Home DSL, ang #1 home broadband.
Ladies and gentlemen, this game is brought to us by Master Facial Scrub at Sofas.com. Use Master.
Kevin Braswell, who would have been handling the ball more often had he been suited up for this game.
But this guy really played well, our best player of the game. Not only did he score, he rebounded, and he assisted. So he did a lot of things. Elmer Espiritu with a 3-point shot.
Elmer Espiritu.
He was caught stepping on the line with his right foot.
So lahat ng nakausap natin kanina, i-shoot yung bola, nagawa na nila. Si Elmer Espiritu, si Jai Reyes, and na rin si Denok Miranda kanina first quarter. And Newton,
That's a count for Mitchell Newton.
trying out some moves. Iniiba naman ni Newton yung laro niya. Not decided,
Foul on number 7,
settling
Mo
for the
Tautua.
outside
His
shot.
fourth foul.
Fourth pa lang yun.
Si Tautua pang-apat. So pareho na si Troy Rosario.
Bonus free throw for Mitchell Newton.
Doesn't matter much anymore with only 2:21 remaining. The outcome practically decided. Oh, talking to the referee. Nabagal. Open. 17-footer. Wanted to get one. Defensive rebound. Elmer Espiritu. Baseline cut. Cross-court kay Oping Sumalinog. 8 seconds pa natitira.
Last 2 minutes.
Into the last 2 minutes of this game. Tautua's three. Looking for a foul.
Can't be looking for that.
24-second shot clock violation.
When you have no real good position to make a shot.
That's right. And those are the things that you learn sa mga ganitong klaseng torneo. Newton. He's going to work dito sa
Mitchell
fourth quarter,
Newton.
Dr. J. The young man out of the Wellington Saints New Zealand team.
Terrific quarter for his 12 points in this quarter. Total of 17 in the ball game.
Rosario. In and out. Rebound. Nagpakbakan ba si Mo at si Elmer Espiritu. So Sumalino, they want to get him on the board, but he decides to pass it over to
Good fake.
Espiritu.
Elmer Espiritu.
Comes into the ball game, gives them 4 points and a lot of energy. He's a tough defensive player. He's a natural 4 ang problema niya. Which is a little bit small for the PBA. That's why he has to sometimes improvise and try to play through. But he can defend.
Blocks him, threw that away. So rare turnover para sa New Zealand dito sa fourth quarter of action.
Ang hindi nakakalaro dito sa torneo nito si Aaron Abad. Because he got a fracture on his nose. During, I think, a practice session.
So ready naman siya. No? He has that face mask. He's dressed up, but hindi na rin ginamit ni Coach John Wichico.
That's a problem.
Hook
Just
shot
go
from
big.
Newton.
Mitchell Newton.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Newton looking like a superstar dito sa fourth quarter. He had to smile after that shot. Nabagala, binabayaan.
Rob Nabagala.
So we look forward to this as this game is decided. Pagkatapos ito, Gilas Pilipinas kontra Chinese Taipei. We don't know how hard the Taiwanese are going to play.
Oh, they're gonna play hard. They know, you know, ano mapagkalaban mo Pilipinas, iba istorya. Laban niya. Ooh! Yun, nataw to.
Goes out to him.
So he wanted to, pero challenge pa to si Newton. Ekenasio will just pass it over to Mills. No shot, sabi ni Kevin Braswell.
Ladies and gentlemen, our final score, 101.
Good run,
For
second half
Cebu
especially.
Pacific New Zealand Saints,
Para sa
78 for the San Antonio
New
Charlotte
Zealand pulling
Texans.
away. It was just a 5-point halftime lead, went up to 12 and ends 101-78. A 23-point victory para sa Wellington Saints ng New Zealand. High fives all around. Wellington will effectively clinch the silver second spot in the standings of this Mapster Game Face MVP Cup. And with a record of 2-1, Stock and Text goes down to 1-2. So congratulations to New Zealand for this victory. 101-78. Pagtapos ito, meron munang Sports 360 with Aaron and Erica.